You make $75,000 a year. Should you be looking at $150,000 homes or $300,000 homes? Here's the real number banks use. First, the rule. House price equals 3 to 4 times your yearly income. That's the fastest way to know your range. Banks also use something called the 28-36 rule. Only 28% of your monthly income should go to housing, and no more than 36% should go to all debt combined. Your housing cost isn't just the mortgage. It includes interest, property taxes, and insurance. You also pay a down payment up front, usually between 3 and 20%. The bank loans the rest, and you pay it back over 30 years. For these examples, assume a 7% interest rate, a 30-year mortgage, and 10% down. Now, real numbers, if you make $30,000 a year, your range is about $90,000 to $120,000. You'll need around $9,000 to $12,000 down. Total monthly housing cost is roughly $700. This only works in very low-cost areas. If you make $75,000 a year, your range is $225,000 to $300,000. Down payment $22,000 to $30,000. Monthly housing cost around $1,700 to $1,900. This is solid, middle-of-the-road affordability. If you make $100,000 a year, your range is $300,000 to $400,000. Down payment $30,000 to $40,000. Monthly housing cost about $2,300. Comfortable, but still budget dependent. If you make $150,000 a year, your range is $450,000 to $600,000. Down payment $45,000 to $60,000. Monthly housing cost around $3,400 to $3,600. This is where people overbuy if they're not careful. Before you start house hunting, remember this. First, always get pre-approved. It tells you your real number and makes your offer stronger. Second, just because the bank approves you for more doesn't mean you should spend it. Aim closer to 25% of your income, not the max. Third, save more than your down payment. Closing costs add 2 to 5%, and houses break. Always. One more thing, debt matters. Every $100 in monthly debt you remove can increase your buying power by $15,000 to $20,000. Your income sets the range. Your decisions decide comfort. Now you know exactly what house you can afford.